friends, knife in hand, struck Sandham multiple times to stand. Back in chest, vital targets found. Sudden attack, lights are ripping down. Shot on Willy's plastic floor, like a little Mikey, fell no more. Snap by third, fatal blows. One of Palestine's deadly rose. Richard Flans, knife in hand, struck Sandham multiple times to stand. Back in chest, vital targets found. Sudden attack, lights slipping down. Shot on Willy's plastic floor, like a little Mikey, fell no more. Stand by flames, fatal blows. One of Palestine's deadly rose. Shattered shadows loom near. Palestine's fate, future clear. Convicted in murder's darkest deed. Justice sought, but peace not freed. Shot on Willy's incident remains a grim reminder of deadly games. Violence claimed the life that night. Little Mikey Sandham's last fight.